Hello, my name is Ruben Lopez. I'm going to talk about some of the effects of coal. Why is coal bad for the environment? Living in this area of Ohio, I have seen firsthand many of the appalling effects of coal mining. Even in the middle of the woods, I could see the fumes of a power plant in the distance, steadily emitting pollution. Driving to the lake, one could see its effects in the streams, once lively, now barren of any wildlife in the water. Growing up, I took nature for granted, not caring about how sudden it could be destroyed by environmental issues, such as water and air pollution. Destroying animals' habitats and entire ecosystems, coal mining has been used in this region from the 1800s through 1970s, with numerous thick coal seams accessible through both surface and ground mines in Appalachia. According to the World Coal Institute, an article in 2010, acid rain refers to the water coming out of coal mines. Some of the water will evaporate and go back into the atmosphere, coming back as rain containing toxic minerals to plants and soil. Abandoned coal mines expose rocks containing sulfur bearing minerals. Pyrite is the main mineral released. It reacts with air and water, creating sulfuric acid and dissolved iron. And that water then leaks out of mines into rivers, streams, and humans' water supplies. The toxins can poison the animals from eating and touching the plants and soil. Plant eating animals that are eaten by predators get sick, and over time, the toxins can kill the animals. Sludge, or sometimes called slurry, is another form of water pollution. It is a mixture of coal dust, water, and clay. It contains toxic metals. Some of them include arsenic, lead, mercury, and a few others. The sludge is often dumped in open containers, which aren't reliable for safe storage. These open containers are often made from leftover mining material. According to Appalachia Voices, in an article April 2008, air pollution is another problem coal causes. Air pollution from coal mines creates sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and heavy metals that are then released into the air. This leads to smog and toxins that poison the environment. Smog causes respiratory sickness, cardiovascular, and cerebral effects in both humans and animals. Coal dust in the air from mining and transportation can cause severe and potentially deadly respiratory diseases. According to an article from Sierra Club, June 2007, mountaintop mining and deforestation are two other forms of harm done to the environment. Coal mining and mountaintop removal is extremely destructive mining. It is sometimes called surface mining, where the summit or summit ridge coal seams are extracted from a mountaintop. By removing the trees and soil from the top of the mountain, companies first clear the area, ripping trees from the ground and clearing any underbrush. Then large holes are dug and explosives placed down, blasting the area down to the coal vein. They sometimes have to blast 600 to 1,000 feet of the mountain to reach the coal. Forest destruction is another problem that mountaintop mining causes. The animals in these areas are either killed or can no longer live in the area after the mining has ended. Also, many of the trees were old and will take many years to return or regrow if they ever will. Flooding caused by removal of trees and underbrush hurts all areas not normally prone to flooding or high water. As you can see, coal mining is very destructive and has changed much of the environment in the Appalachia areas of West Virginia, Kentucky, Virginia, Tennessee, with water and air pollution and mountaintop devastation. The impact on the environment from coal occurs in many different ways. These are just some of them: mining preparation, waste storage, transportation, and abandoned mines.